Hey there and welcome back. In this video, we're going to continue building our conversation graph, adding some prompting, calling our LLM, and making it speak with a text-to-speech model. So let's go back to our conversation graph. What are we going to do? Well, we're going to need a couple more nodes. So we're going to actually make a custom node, which will take the text produced by the STT node and format it into messages that the LLM can receive and work with. And we'll make a remote LLM chat node. And actually, the custom node will need this process context type as well. So let's get cracking. We will build our prompt builder node. So we're going to make class prompt builder node extends custom node. Custom nodes have a process method that captures the execution context. And second argument is the input, which is going to be the output of speech to text. It is a string. And all we're going to do, we're not going to do some heavy duty prompting. I have to actually import graph types. So we'll import graph types just so we can have some more type safety. Messages. Say system and the content, which would be super simple. Answer this message from the user, and that'll be the input that we're grabbing. Cool. And then let's instantiate that. And now we're going to make our LLM node. So we have our prompt. We want to feed it into our LLM. So what are we going to do? We're gonna check the portal, actually check the models that we have available. I'm actually gonna go with Quen this time. So it will be provider, Inworld, model name, Quen. And we're actually gonna be streaming this output chunk by chunk. So I think we're pretty good here. We have our two new nodes, the prompt builder node and the LLM node. So let's add them. And the STT is still going to be our start node, but we're going to need to add some edges. Oop, not add node. Add edge. Just connect these guys. Okay, and the end node will be our LLM node. Okay, cool. So we're gonna send our audio to speech to text, get the transcription, send it to the prompt builder node to make our messages prompt, and then we're going to send it to the LLM. And I've already hooked up the audio processor. So similarly to how we're handling the string to text output in this process response method. It's not a string this time, it is a content stream. So we're handling it chunk by chunk and sending it to the front end, storing it in memory as we need to. So let's see if we've hooked it up correctly. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Oh, we messed something up. Model Quen is not supported by Inworld provider. Let's see. Oh, I copied the model name wrong. I wanted to copy this model name. There we go. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Okay, well, this is interesting. So we got the LLM response, but why didn't we get our speech to text response? So, of course, let's shut this down. What's going on here is that the end node of our graph is this LLM node. It's producing its stream of responses from the LLM. In our case, it's a text response. So the speech to text is actually just passing to the next node. It's not being reported to the client at all. So even though we're all ready to handle it, it's not coming out of the graph. So what we have to do is just proxy it on. So we're going to create a proxy node. And this proxy node is going to have report to client true. And we're just going to stick that in between speech to text and prompt builder. So the proxy node just passes on its input, but it's also able to report to the client. Where did I put that? All right, so it's going to report to the client, which means it's going to be output from the graph, and we'll be able to grab it, display it on the front end. ¿Qué pasa, hermano? Hey, not bad. So our graph ran successfully. We got our speech to text, and we got our LLM output. So this is fantastic. We will say we got that going. In the next video, you know what? I'm not going to say we've gotten our prompting done. So in our next video, we're going to hook up our voice, our TTS, and we'll also hook up some better prompt templating. So I'll see you in the next video.